Ayun na. Hello guys, Kerry is doing.
Alright guys, so tonight we're gonna be doing unboxing Salad Master.
Roughly cost about $7,000.
How much it cost mo?
That is $7,188.
So expensive.
Solid master. We just. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan? I'm drunk na. You talk. Work and talk.
So here we go. Let me just get knife real quick.
Slowly. Slowly na, baka magaras.
Alright, here we are.
That's a professional set.
Frozen.
Pro set, but we don't know how to cook. We just alam lang paano kumain. So, Salad Master cookware. This one.
And then it's limited lifetime warranty.
Limited lifetime warranty. This one.
And then we got some book here, so if you guys want to read the manual, it's in here, all in here. Yeah, it's in here.
Alright. Just give me that one.
Alright, so first, I don't know what is it. This one.
What's the name of this? Remove the plastic. This is the, I don't know also. What's this? Ito yung takip. Alam ko lang takip eh.
Yeah, it's look like fat. Look guys, it's so good.
Super now.
See the inside? Yeah, it's now because it's new. It just arrived like 1 week ago. Alright, so next we're gonna be put them here when we finish unboxing them. Then we got here, I think they're just the same, but oh here I remember
Slowly, Kerry.
because when we are on the demonstration they said that we can cook like rice here, roast pork and everything, like multiple uses.
Yeah.
And then yeah, we unboxed 2 pieces already. We got it's more to go. And this one,
That's the what's that?
I don't know what is it. It's like small pot guys, like you can cook everything. Soup. And then here,
What's that?
remember?
This is the salt. No, this is a steel cleaner.
Still cleaner.
No one. Salad Master cleaner.
And then, so I think this one is like
Salaans.
no.
What?
You can steam.
Yeah.
Look, because it has circle in here. Yeah. And then guys, so once your food is cooked, it's like, you know, it's going to be up and down like that. And you can hear the voice and the noise. So that if it's done like that, it's mean it's cooked. Your food is cooked. And then especially on this Salad Master is the power is not like super high. It's on medium, so you can less electricity or something. You know.
Alright. Okay. Keep going, darling.
And now here.
What's that?
I don't know. We got that one there. This one as well. How many pieces is this, mom?
I don't know. Have a look.
It's not like double. Okay. So far so good. The first box is done.
Yeah. So in one box, how many pieces?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
2.
6 pieces on one box, guys.
Alright. Okay.
6 pieces on one box.
And open the one. How many box more?
Give your name and phone number. How long you give your name and phone number and tell them if I get enough guys, I'll hold a demonstration a month.
Alright.
How many more box to need to open?
We still need to open 3 more boxes, but they're not big. Not the same one.
Ah, we will start using our Salad Master set. Salad Master cooking ware. So this is very good, and this made of what this titanium, and this very sidla kayo guys, working sidla ka. Ang problema ani, mahal kaayo ang kaldero, then amo ang lutuon ani kay ginamos ra man gyud siguro ni og mga buwad sige prito. Ha. Slowly, nak.
Yes, ma'am. So,
What is that?
what we have here is like fresh cooker.
Pressure cooker? Or?
Yeah. Because it's big.
Okay. Yeah.
So, pwede kayo magnilaga, guys. Oh, yeah.
How many pieces in the box? Just one?
Just one, I guess.
Alright, okay. Remove the one. Put the one in there, now, please. What is this? Okay.
Yes. Ma, Biju. So the hips in here. So I think some of you don't know that.
What is that? Is the cord?
Yeah. So you
Ah.
can put it in and then cook wherever you want.
Alright, okay. Be sure that na walang mga ano, yung mga guide, walang naitapon. And what is that? I wanna see. Maybe there is a 24 karat gold.
Yes.
24K gold. Salad Master cooking ware. Kerry is
Doing the work here.
doing the demo how to open and slowly, nak. Maybe you will cut your. Ah, you should be very careful. Limited edition for my bracer. Maybe there is a gold of this. This the one. Use slowly. Maybe. Take care. Slowly.
Come on.
They say that there is a gold.
Alright guys, so this is the handle. Oh, I think
Yeah,
this is the
that's
gold.
no, that's not the one. That's not the one. Don't remove. Just put that one in there. Ah, this is the one with the gold.
Alright guys, kaya ali. Tanawang gold.
Dili na.
The gold. So guys, I think this is the gold. Where? That one. Oh yeah, this is the gold. Yeah. Yep. That was the.
There is a 24 karat gold of this. That's why it's expensive.
I think it's each of the lid.
Ang
Is that-
gold, ito yung gold, ito yung gold, ito. Ito yung gold niya, nakapaligid.
Yeah.
At saka maybe this, is it? Oh yeah, this one also is a gold.
Yep.
This is 24 karat gold. So, kaya mahal siya. Yeah, that's the one. Mix, expensive.
It's expensive.
That's a 24K karat gold. And that
And
one,
then, last but not the least,
what is that?
I guess that's the gold also.
No.
Oh,
They
that's a
said-
grinder.
They said just one only. So guys, pagka sasali kayo sa ganitong business, pag umattend kayo ng 2 beses sa meeting, you can get the, I don't know what is the thing, ma'am?
Salad machine.
Salad
No.
machine, I guess. Let's say for salad.
It's like
Yeah,
you
just
can
open that
cut,
one.
You can cut anything what you want to make salad.
Slowly, nak, maybe.
Stop it!
Dito nak, tapat ka dito na, para makita ka.
Basta ako, makaka-unra, okay ra.
Me too.
Usay lang eh. Usay
But
lang eh,
I
medyo.
think Kerry chuck all the, yung mga lutuan natin. Tinapon natin niya lahat.
Yeah, that's a grinder. Oh no, it's not.
Hawakan again, guys.
So, I guess that's from the pressure cooker.
So guys, so once you have a salad master, you can cook. You can put the example nito, kawali. You can put it in the oven, and then you can just easily remove this one or put this one in.
Yeah.
So you can put it on the oven.
Sorry, Dad.
That's the purpose of this one.
I thought there's no people. Sorry.
Alright, so guys,
It's all done.
yeah, we're all done here. We just need to see if everything got lid and everything here.
It's solid masa. All good. Oh, that's very nice, Kerry.
Yeah, look at it shine.
Final step.
This is the only one. That's gold.
Heaps love.
So guys, that's all. That's the 7,000 package on Salad Master. Not including this one, not.
You can remove that one. Put that one in the key in the
We'll show that out.
cabinet.
Oh, Dad, you want this?
I was gonna put it.
All good. That's all the salad master. See ya.
Alright, guys.
Bye.
Wait. Thanks for watching. So if you guys enjoy my unboxing and everything here, just click the button and like and subscribe and comment down below. Alright guys, thank you.